Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 45 how to create a folder collection on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application, and now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to the Instagram application, click on Instagram, make sure you sign into the account, go to your profile, go to the right top corner of the screen where we see the three lines. Click on this, go to saved, and then go to the right top corner again. Click on the plus sign. Add a collection name, Computer Science 2019. Click on next. Click the videos, the photos, or IGTV videos you wish to add to the collection. I'll just click on all 5. Press done. The folder collection has been created. Click on Computer Science 2019. And now we have all 5 posts that were saved as bookmarks in the folder collection. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it with this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.